Welcome to Lasso, a screenshot and bookmark manager service. We're in the management console in one of our collections of screenshots. This is the list view. You can certainly access them here. You can also use one of our other layouts, including the board view, which shows them in a larger view. In this case, you can scroll through all those screenshots. You can search on them. You can filter if you've tagged them. In this case, I'm going to tag and look for management images. So I've got a few of those. If I want to scroll through them, I can click on the image and then I can just sequence through them like a slideshow. This is useful if I'm looking at different ones of examples when I'm thinking about maybe doing a design or some other kind of project. So that's the management console. Now I want to add content. So the best way to do that is using the browser extension. We have a Chrome extension that you can install, and when you do, you can click on the button, or you can use the right mouse click to access that. So in this case, I'm going to click on the browser extension, and I can see all the different options. In this case, I'm going to capture the visible area of the page. It's very simple. And then what it does is it puts that image into an image editor. So if I want, I could annotate this. I could draw a line, let's say if I'm documenting a bug, and then I could add text very easily. I could then download that, copy it to the clipboard, and then share it. Or what I can do is I can save it to Lasso. I choose a collection. I could enter a title if I want. The URL's there. I could tag it if I want. I click Add, and I'm done. Now the item is stored in the collection in the cloud. Thank you.